The Dream Team includes the Little Blizzard, Hurricane 2 fan, and extra dry Little Blizzard fluid. Little Blizzard fluid magically turns into evaporative, floating snow that can be used over audiences yet leaves no residue. The increased insulated, advanced technology makes this machine a quiet operation. A flake size adjustment paddle, 2-speed motor, and remote control are now included with DMX on board. Can you believe this job only took one morning to rig? Only 12 Little Blizzards and 12 Hurricane fans were used.
Make your audience feel like they are part of the play. Involve them in the scene by having them reach out and touch the snow. Just one machine can create a floating snow effect like this setup, where the snow fell several stories. Every Christmas, the Seattle Nordstroms floats Little Blizzard snow each half hour over the escalators. The newest soundproof Little Blizzard is so quiet you can whisper and still be heard. When a fan is not available, use the new super extra dry Little Blizzard fluid. It's odorless, non-toxic, and very people-friendly. Families and friends from all over gather to see this wonderful effect. If the flakes are floating, then you've found the magic. Use Little Blizzard fluid for floating flakes. Just look at the excitement. At times, it's even better than the real thing. Whether it's one Little Blizzard snow machine using super extra dry Little Blizzard fluid or a very large auditorium, we have the perfect products that fit your production. We can customize what your needs are to make it just as magical for you as it was for these special events.